Firstly, prepare the ingredients for the middle layer. Mix diced chicken breast with chopped onions, salt, black pepper, and steeped saffron until well combined. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. For the spinach crepe, separate egg yolks and whites. Whisk the whites until fluffy and white, then whisk the yolks with a bit of salt until smooth. Blend spinach and milk until pureed, then mix with egg yolks. Add flour gradually and mix until combined. Gently fold in the beaten egg whites. Pour the mixture into a greased pan and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. In a pan, melt some butter and cook the seasoned chicken until fully cooked. Add steeped saffron, salt, and black pepper, then mix well. Turn off the heat and let it cool, then add pizza cheese. Once the spinach crepe is cooked, remove it from the pan and place it on a plastic bag. Spread the chicken mixture on one side of the crepe, and spread some beaten egg whites on the other side to make it stick. Roll up the crepe and refrigerate. For the dough, dissolve yeast in warm water for 5 minutes. Beat an egg, add melted butter, then add the yeast mixture. Gradually add flour and knead until smooth and uniform. Let the dough rest in a warm place for 30 minutes. Then divide it into 10 equal parts. Roll each part into a ball and flatten it. Spread the chicken and spinach roll on each dough and roll it up. Let it rest for another 30 minutes, then transfer it to a baking tray. Brush with beaten egg yolks and steeped saffron, then sprinkle with sesame seeds. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Allow to cool, then slice and serve. Enjoy your meal.